Hi everybody, it is Thelma. Another hashtag Stamping Sunday video for you. And hashtag Stamp Play. These are both open collabs. I host Stamp Sunday and the co-host is Paula, Crafting by the Pond. Hashtag Stamp Play is hosted by my friend Susan's Heartstrings. So you can post anytime on either collab. It's just I thought Sundays is mostly an open day for people, so that's why I titled it Stamping Sunday. So I used this Globeland stamp. Isn't it cute? And you can buy these separate or in packages of 9. And a package of 9 or more. I don't know if it's in other ones, but this package of 9, it was titled Animals. And so this one is cute. I mean, I can use it at Christmas time. This one is really cute too. And then there's this one. I love this. They're so cute. I mean, I was thinking of doing another one with that. But look at this baby one. I don't have anyone going to have a baby so soon. And this one. These are so cute. I mean, you can use them as bag toppers. You can use them anything at the top of a page or whatever. This is the card I made the last time. And this is so cute, isn't it? 70s vibe. And then this one with the poodles. I don't know anyone who has a poodle. And if you do, let me know. So that was the package of 9 that I got. And you can get them too. All you have to do is have 100 subscribers. And you can get up to $30 Canadian to spend on their website. They have everything from making jewelry to dyes. Everything you can think of. So yeah. Anyway, get that introduction over with. This is what I made for a friend. Isn't it cute? I have this tropical kind of paper, so I did that. And then I used the other 4 because this is usually empty, and I thought, well, why not fill it up instead of crowding the front page. And it said Nahelo, and it should be an M. So I just added an extra loop on the front and made Mahalo. If I'm saying it wrong, forgive me, because I'm not. And this is Aloha. So and I put Mahalo and Aloha. Isn't that cute? So, yeah. And then I just had a small strip of paper there. And then I had a small strip of paper there. And then I'll put my signature stamp here and my initials, or my name. And I put glossy accents on the eyes. You can see there and here. I don't know if I did. Yeah, and I did on the front middle too. Did on his sunglasses. And on this side too. I don't know if it's showing up. And I did on his lemon or whatever it is, or lime, and I did it there too. So yeah, so that's my card for Stamping Sunday. So I just stamped this, I put this white, this card, I think I got this paper from the Dollar Tree long time ago, probably 5 years ago, maybe even 4, I have no idea. And then I stamped some white paper and then just colored them. So, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you around in another video. Have a great day. And I will link my discount code down below, which is 10% off your order. If you're interested, if you do buy anything, let me know. I would be interested. Take care. Bye.